Qatar has announced an updated COVID-19 travel and return policy that includes restrictions on visitors from India. The changes will come into effect from October 6. The latest update issued by Qatar's Minister of Public Health has denied entry to non-vaccinated visitors. Qatar has classified countries into two lists, green and red, in addition to a secondary list of exceptional red countries based on international and local health risk indicators and the epidemiology of COVID-19 in the different countries. India, along with Pakistan, Philippines, Indonesia, Nepal, Kenya, Bangladesh, Sudan and Sri Lanka falls among the exceptional red list countries. Hotel quarantine for 2 days will be applicable to those aged 12 and above and children aged 11 years and accompanied by one or both parents or family members who are fully vaccinated. They must undergo a PCR test with a negative result 72 hours before reaching Qatar. The Arab nation has also mandated a PCR test within 36 hours of reaching there. Those taking the test must also quarantine at a hotel. Passengers who are not vaccinated or who have not completed the necessary vaccination doses will be subjected to hotel quarantine for 7 days. They must undergo a PCR test with a negative result 72 hours before reaching Qatar. Once there, the individuals must undergo a PCR test on the 6th day of quarantine. He or she will be released on the 7th day if the result of the COVID-19 test is negative. Visitors holding all types of visas who are fully vaccinated will be subjected to a hotel quarantine for 2 days. Non-vaccinated visitors will not be allowed to enter, Qatar has said.